Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have seen a bunch of different projects that some of them have games, like the Blinking Maze game actually has some player controls in it. So for example, when you go into here, you have this little create player controls tutorial, and there's a video where I show you how to do something, but then there's like step-by-step little walkthrough of some different ways that you can create some different player controls. I want to show you a game that somebody else created that uses some player controls like this. So this is Chocolate Battle, and it is by Luckpel. When you press the green flag, it allows you to pick between two different control styles. I'm going to go with keys, and then I'm going to go ahead and do hardcore mode and start playing. So I need to collect the chocolate without getting hit by the lollipops that are going to appear. So I'm using my W, A, S, and D keys to be able to move down like this, move around. Now if I stand still, then one of these are going to hit me, and then it's a game over. That was a really neat idea, and I wanted to share it with you. If you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.